We'll guide you through how to back up your Dropbox files effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll see your main dashboard with all your files and folders. Now, what you want to do is select the files or folders you wish to back up. You can do this by clicking the checkbox next to each item. If you want to back up everything, simply click the checkbox at the top to select all. After selecting your files, look for the download option, which is usually represented by a downward arrow icon. Click on that icon to start downloading your files to your local storage. This is essentially creating a backup of your Dropbox files onto your computer. Depending on the size of the files, this could take a little while, so be patient. Once the download is complete, navigate to your computer's download folder to ensure everything has been saved correctly. For added security, you might consider moving these files to an external hard drive or another cloud storage service as an additional backup measure. Remember, regularly backing up your files is crucial to keeping your data safe from accidental deletion or unforeseen issues. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.